Hello guys, welcome to my video. So today we're going to play Craftman. So we're going to fix the house with no homeless, I guess. So anyways guys, if you want to see more videos on channel, make sure to like and subscribe. So hit on the notification bell and I some more videos. And also I'm going to place the door. So this is the Craftman that I just worked so hard on this video. And also by the time, then I'm going to make a new video thing. So I'm going to place the stairs. So why does the villager keep staring at me? Only just doing my progress, I think, guys. So I'm going to place the wooden stairs. Only oak planks, I think. Oak stairs, I guess. Oak planks or oak stairs, I think. So this is my village that I saw. So I wanted to continue building like that. And also villagers can just walk by yourself and just by myself, I think. And also there's so many cows and also pigs. Also, the cows live in USA or United States. So, anyways, we're going to reviewing my house. So you can see right there, there's no bed. So I'm going to place the bed, white bed, I think, white bed, something like that. We should gonna put the space there. We're going to put. How can I put the space? Nah, it's gonna be ugly. I'm going to make beautiful. Okay, like that. Also, let's put some lantern again. Lantern again. But how could I? Oh wait, I should just place there. Okay, I'm just trying to regularize that I'm going to decorate the village. So go to place the lantern there before the mobs cannot even just respawn. And also there's the Walmart, I think is. And look at this, the car that I just built it in for a new video that I wanted to keep uploading it. If I get 800 videos, I think. So here is the car, and also the blue car, and the gray car, the dark blue car, and also I don't know, may a nice car or this my car or not. And this is my car, guys. I think this is my car that I wanted to drive. And also this is the traffic jam, the with the car, I think. So also the wheels that has tires, I think, before the off-flex or just it's probably I don't know, no, it's probably tires because I just put the I don't block the way or just maybe I just put the wheels, I think. So you can see there's the village. There's no everyone, so we're going to rebuild it. So anyways, we're going to rebuilding the village, I think. So I'm going to put more grass. I'm going to put more grass, you guys. We need to put more grass since it's over. Since the villagers can just reviewing the world. I'm also going to keep putting more videos. Keep wait, how about the village? Add more village, I think. So anyways, okay. That's pretty good. It's good. Also, let's put some. Don't know what. Let's put them. How about green and also white? Green and white, I think. In realistic, how? Wow, this raining. Why? How? Okay, this raining. Okay. Okay, so let's put the green. The greenhouse that the villagers can live in. Into the other house, I think. So let me not cover it. I think this is the new house that the villagers can sleep. Also during the day, they just wanted to survive and just drink water. Since these high, uh, I don't know what ask about this question. So I'm going to continue building. Don't ask, I guess. Okay, so we're adding more green. We're adding more green. What's that called? Lime oh wait, concrete. Adding more concrete. Yes. I'm adding more concrete, guys. Concrete. Also, what? Also, I put so many cars there. So during the day, this is the concrete, okay? The concrete. What is soda? It's lime concrete. Okay, so this is so many sheep. and there's so many flowers in there, so I'm going to remove the flower since I have flowers in there. So otherwise, okay, let's put villagers. Also, I wanna talk about with this question about it, but I need to remove before, but it's okay. Okay, remove that, but it's okay. So I hear thunderstorm because it's raining. So I'm going to skip by video. So see you later. Of monitor. Yeah. How about let's use TNT instead? But I don't know how. So I'm going to place the TNT with some blocks. Okay, so do not mess with this house. Don't. Oh. Bro, they keep on hearing that. Oh my god. Wow, why there's so many holes? And also, what the heck? Okay, I just explode the entire grass. I just explode the entire grass, so it's probably day or nighttime. Daytime or nighttime, guys. So let's monitor. Okay, guys, looking good, guys. Okay, I think I just make flat, I guess. Make the flat world look like this. Okay, looking good and done. Look, this is the flat world, guys. The flat world that I think is. So I wanted to end this game. So I need to build it. Let me keep it from now on. Okay. So let's build at the base, guys. Let's build the base with villagers. This is a dream that the villagers can just sleep in. Also, this is a wooded house that the villagers are using. I'm using the house. Also, this one. This one is new. This one is new, guys. I, I think this one is new. Okay. I think I wanted to beat that. I don't know. I wanted to build it today, guys. Okay. I think I like this. Let's transform the feather into a brick. The concrete again. Concrete. Okay, so looking good, guys. I think it's probably a green. So the villagers can sleep. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go put this one, guys. The flat world, I think. Okay, looking good. Let's go. Let's go. There, guys. So that is it, guys. So I'm going to end, but next we need a wood. The wooden door looks like this. Bro, this annoying, bro. Thunder is bro. Why does thunder upset? Because they wanted to just electrocute themselves. Look like a Pikachu. Oh my god, guys. Okay. So big calm down, guys. Okay, let's go. I need to create a new massive world, guys. I need to create the massive world. What? Okay, let's just put this green bed, and also the what's that? Lantern, guys. Okay, and also we put I don't know, barrels, I think. So, anyways, goodbye, guys.